How to add or change your profile picture on Cashapp. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change or add a new profile picture in your Cashapp account. So for that, just open your Cashapp, and after that all you have to do is just click on the profile icon from the top right, and here just click on edit profile, and now just click on the camera icon right beside the profile and just click on choose existing photo, and you can also take a new photo, add it in your profile. So I'm just gonna click on choose existing photo, and now you have to allow the Cashapp to access your profile or media in your device. And here you will see your media gallery. Just select any of the picture that you want to add as your profile, and then just set the picture according to your need, and then just click on OK. And this is how you will be able to add your profile picture on your Cashapp account. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.